Alright, boys and girls, welcome to R&B-inspired, the Kid LAROI. This is one of the coolest songs from him I heard so far. All I Want Is You, love that song. And I'm playing on one of my coolest guitar I own from TYMA. And great guitar. If you want to see a review on it, I posted one on Gordon Gear. Check this one out, very affordable, great guitar. I can highly recommend it. Now let's go into this song. All I Want Is You. We have 6 chords we have to handle, and we're gonna do that best with a capo set on the 6th position. Very simple chords with that setup. So let's go with capo on 6 and learn the chords. We're gonna start with A minor first, and it goes open A, second D, second G, first B, and open E. We have E minor next, and that will be open E, second A, second D, open G, open B, and open E. F is a bar chord, so you place the index finger here on the first fret, you push down all strings, then you need to add third on A, third on D, and second on G. Then we have the C coming up there, and that will be third A, second D, open G, first B, and open E. Then to handle the bridge part later on, we need to add 2 more chords. D minor to start with, it goes open D, second G, third B, and first E. And the last chord is G. And that goes third E, second A, open D, open G, third B, and third E. Alright, so there we have it. Maybe if you notice that I play 2 different ways the strumming here, so I'm gonna show you both ways. I'm gonna go with this first version I'm gonna teach now. So if you grab the first chord, A minor, 1 string around with this main pattern, what I believe is the best to go for. It's more straightforward. It goes like this. Okay, so it's down, down, clap, down. So down, down, clap, down. And you're gonna play 2 of these per chord. So before you change the next chord. So that is how it goes. Down, down, clap, down, 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 clap, down. All right. And the second one goes like this. And that follows more how the beat goes in a way. So we have this gap between the last clap and the down before that. So if you chose to go with this strumming, you're just gonna play 1 of these per chord. So we're gonna start with down, down, clap. Okay, so that's the starting point. So, and then comes down, down, pause, clap, down. So together it goes down, down, clap, down, down, clap, down. A couple rounds of this. Like I said, if you choose to go with this second strumming, you're just going to play 1 per chord. And how goes this chord progression? The main chord progression of this song, it goes almost through the entire song, is to play A minor to E minor to F to C. All right, so that's the main chord progression. So depending on what strumming pattern you choose to go for the first one, the main, what I suggest you play is 2 string rounds per chord. Down, down, clap, down, like this. Minor, E minor, F, C, or So there you have it, and it's pretty much 95% of the song. Now, we have this bridge part starting at 1 minute and 34 seconds in. Now we're gonna change up the chord progression a little bit. We're gonna have D minor, G, and the last F and C will stay there. All right. So the first two chords changes, D minor and G instead of A minor and E minor. And yes, you're gonna play almost in the same way here. The first round, we're gonna play 2 rounds of this chord progression in total. So the first round will be to play with the strumming. You choose here again which one you prefer, and you're gonna play 2 rounds of that main pattern, so D minor 2, G2, F2, and C2, or 1 round with the other one. Okay, we know that by now. The second round you play this chord progression. You're just gonna play 1 down on the first 2 chords, so D minor with pause, and the length of the pauses would be as if you would play the strumming, of course. So the changes goes as fast as if you would play the strumming, but instead you just play 1 down on D minor, and then 1 down on G, and then you continue with F in the same way, C. All right, that's the second round you play this chord progression, and after that you play that bridge part, and you just fall back again into the main pattern of A minor, E minor, F, C. And yes, that, my friends, is how I handle the Kid LAROIs. All I want is you guys to be out here and watching my tutorials, learn from it, support me here, and I'm grateful. So thank you so much for support, guys. I really appreciate it, and hope to see you soon. Until next time, play tuned.